Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am in a complete hope that you would be fine and fit inside your homes. Scare of pandemic is reducing day by day, and it is normalcy that seems returning. But still, pandemic is moving around. In these days of pandemic, no doubt it is fear is going out of the minds of the people, but we need to take precautions in order to save the lives, which is the precious gift of the God. Dear students, all educational institutions are set, and you have to rely on these virtual classes so that to crack the examinations that are likely be held in the month of October or November. It is Theorem 10.1, Chapter Circles, Class 10th Subject Mathematics. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact is the theorem you are watching on the theorem or mathematical statement on the whiteboard. I will solve this theorem for you in Kashmiri language so that the things will reach to you in actual mode. वह मतलब गो अख सर्कल से with center O. Ach tangent आमut yapur. See yapur shamat XY tangent. ये सर्कल्स करान टच पीस पे से पीस पे चूंकि अगर इस ओफ पी करो ना ज्वाइन बने रेडियस वो टेंजेंट इस कंटैक्ट पॉइंट ऑफ कंटैक्ट ये गो पॉइंट ऑफ कंटैक्ट या सर्कल्स कंटैक्ट करन छ दपन ये ओफ पी छा तली परपेंडिकुलर एक्स वाई ये प्रूव तुम कर Digo, the tangent at any point of circle is perpendicular to the root through point of contact. You go point of contact. वो ये छा तली आदत perpendicular. वो given as this a circle with center O. With center O. A circle with center O. XY क्या है? XY is the tangent to the circle. XY is tangent to the circle at point P. In a point of contact, shown P. Each point of contact. To prove as देन कर कि OP छा perpendicular XY. Prove. This which means साबित देन कर. तो तू न्यू XY पर एक point of CQ. ने XY पर न्यू एक point. Take a point Q on XY. But connect करूँ तो OQ. Connect OQ. Let it touch circle at R. या से कर circles R पे touch. तो ये वन्यू अब तो याद आसे OR ते बने radius. OP तिच radius. मगर चूंकि याद point of contact याद point of contact की ने OR कहाँ ते point युस क्या circumference of circle इस point इन नज़र से बने होंगे कहाँ ते point युस इस center से join गसन शी radius आसान हम युस radius आसान शी every point to the center of the circle is equidistant मुझे बराबर आसान इन्हें OR तिच तिल radius OP तिच radius मगर फर्क ची इस या तो ची connected गसन XY से या तुम connected गसन कि वो OR ची OP is बराबर हम क्या शते मुझे दोनों radius मगर अगर तो वुचू कि OQ अगर इस नजरी सती वुचून OQ ये ची बोर्ड किम निश ये बोर्ड OR निश यदि OR निश बोर्ड ची यास OQ आश OP निश बोर्ड ने OQ is greater than OR तो मतलब OQ is greater than OP दमा यह कोई ते पॉइंट्स पे अगर XY पे कहाँ ते पॉइंट ने मोनस फॉर एग्जांपल तो न्यू OT ब्याक पॉइंट OT अगर यमन F पे करिए टाइट सर्कल यह OF ची बन्याव रेडियस यह OR ची बन्याव रेडियस यह OP ती बन्याव रेडियस मगर सारे खुद शॉर्टेस्ट यूस कनेक्ट करा सकुस OP OP is the shortest OP is the shortest यूस कनेक्ट करा सर्कल्स ये radius connect करा OP is the shortest that connects cuff, radiation that connects tangent. OP is the shortest that connect tangent cut tangents x y. OP is sarve khot short use tangents connect karan chu. Ko use sarve khot short as sarve khot kam as no doubt you should OFs हेकी बराबर OR हेकी बराबर OP OR OF हम रेडिएट हम सारी बराबर मगर OP बनान इत कन लकोट क्या बजाती कनेक्ट करान XY वो therefore use OP as perpendicular on XY. Dear students, the theorem got solved for you. In case of any confusion that strikes your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 70066 71106 or WhatsApp me. When you WhatsApp me or call me to post your query, within short duration of time your query shall be answered. But before leaving the class, I am advising you mathematics is a technical subject. Do practice mathematics inside your home so that you will get the mastery over the subject. And also give due time or sufficient time to rest of the subjects so that you can crack the coming examinations with a difference. Thanks. Be well, sir.